Jai Guru, good morning students. Yesterday we have started the topic natural resources, land and soil. Yesterday we talked about the land, its uses, physical factors which divide into four, that is relief, soil, climate and availability of water. Further relief divided into three, plains, plateaus and mountains. Today we'll learn about soil. Soil. How soil is going to be formed? Soil is a surface of the earth which formed by the breakdown of rocks, which we call the weathering, some decayed organic material, living organisms, wood, decayed, some or plants, animals. This is the composition of soil, and it is a prime resource, or we can say the precious resource of a land. As the plants that grow on the land would not exist without this thin, loose surface layer, which we call as a soil. And it is an important because plants, animals, human life are directly or indirectly dependent on the soil. Not only it provides the food, even the fiber which provides us clothes, comes from the plants which grown in the soil. We'll take a look on the soil profile. Already we have studied in the previous classes about the soil profile. Yes, which is further divided into the four layers. It is named as horizon A, which is a topsoil, which is made up of fine particles and which is a more fertile as it contains more humus, mineral salt and water. The second layer is subsoil, where the organic materials present in this layer. The third is where the loose parent rock material are going to be found during the weathering. And the last layer, which is also known as bedrock, where the rocks are going to be formed. This is a soil profile. Now look after the soil characters and the formations which determines the factor. How is going to be form a soil? There are different factors which make the soil. First, we'll talk about the composition of the parent rock. Parent rock is determine the basic characteristic of a soil. Because as whatever the material, the element found in the rock, it comes into the form of soil, which is a similar content of the parent rock. For an example, like if we talk about a sandstone, which is as no sandstone, it's present by a sandy, while slate gave the rise of the clayey soil. Time of the soil formation. As the nature of a soil also depends on the material and the time period on which the parent material is going to be exposed by weathering. The longer time has to be taken to form, the more nature it going to be created. The third factor which define, that is topography. Topography means is a natural formation such as lakes, valleys, rivers. It is again determined factor because as a land is on the hilly areas which is washed away during the erosion or the weathering. The fourth factor which affected, that is climate. As we know, climate is a part of the weathering. Temperature, moisture influence the rate and chemical weathering, which makes the rate of the formation of the soil. Decompositions of the organisms matter is soil also influenced by the climate. And the last factor which affect the soil, that is living organisms. As we know, many organisms live under the ground, such as earthworm, some animals which burrow the ground. Roots of the plants also erode the soil while holding its plates, which take important play in the soil erosion. Thank you. Today we'll complete up to here. We'll learn the next topic tomorrow.